Hi, my name is Judson Burden. I'm the president of AsphaltKingdom.com. I was once a contractor. I was out filling cracks. With years and years of experience, we've developed top quality machines to allow you to fill cracks at walking speed. Imagine, you could go out and make $1 a linear foot for every step that you take with this pro machine. You can fill 5,000 linear feet of cracks per day. Imagine, $1 a linear foot when you're filling cracks. Now, if you go up to a job and you're just going to do some seal coating and you still have cracks on the parking lot surface or driveway surface, if you don't fill them, that's like not fixing cavities in your teeth before getting your teeth whitened. You know that your clients need those cracks filled. If you don't fill cracks, water gets in, it erodes the foundation and creates potholes. Or, in northern climates where it's cool, it will freeze and expand and cause further decay. We've designed a base model right here to my right, and we've designed a pro model over here to my left. The base model is a great entry-level machine that's fired with a torch. The torch fits right into the torch chamber, melts down the crack filler to liquid form, and you can apply it at walking speed. The Pro model is named the Pro model for a reason. It's for you, for the contractor that's looking to save time on jobs, looking to maximize your earning potential, and provide you with ultimate quality. With the Halo base burner, you'll melt down crack filler faster, save on your propane fuel, and apply crack filler at really fast walking speeds. And imagine grabbing a hold of this handlebar right here. Manual agitation on the fly to be able to keep your crack filler mixed down to a perfect liquid form. Every single step you take, you'll be making $1. Imagine 5,000 linear feet in one day. Multiplied by $1, $5,000 a day you can earn with this particular machine here. Now it's time to go out and get those jobs. With years of experience in the asphalt maintenance industry, we understand how important quality is. We've designed both of these machines, our base model and our pro model, with the contractor in mind. All our units come fully warrantied and provide you with the ultimate quality to be assured that your bread and butter is always flowing in without having any downtime. If this is your first time crack filling, don't worry. We have online guides, crack filling courses, and how-tos on how to use these machines and make money quickly.